Hello friends, are you interested in learning about web application vulnerability and penetration testing? If you are interested in knowing more about what are the different methodologies and techniques which are being used for testing a web application vulnerability and how we can get to know the web-based, web client and backend server-based penetration techniques, methodologies, what are the different kind of tools, watch this video till end. And here we go. Welcome to my channel Q Analysis, and today I am going to share brief overview about web penetration testing and web application vulnerabilities. So let's begin. As you can see over here in this diagram that we have an internet user which is connected to a web client, and through REST API he is having communication and data channel access to backend server. So as most of you who know what is the REST API, if not, then it is a kind of protocol wherein developers or testers, they can send and receive requests using GET and POST over HTTP protocol. So there are different kind of client-side web browser based testing, which is something like automated testing, manual testing, review, client-side script and code. These are the activities which you have to perform on the client side. So on client side, you can do script testing, DOM-based cross-site scripting, authentication and authorization. Yes, it is a very important concept. Authentication, you authenticate yourself so that you prove yourself that you have the access to the system. And then authorization, what kind of authorities do you have? What kind of permissions you have? That is covered in the authorization. Local storage checkings, client-side URL redirections, web messaging, clickjacking, and HTML injections. Via HTML injections, you can check out the expected behaviors as well. So these are few of the techniques or methodologies which are being used from client side. Same way, we have the other side, which is REST API and web application. Over there, you can do automated testing. You can perform manual testing by checking the request manually and the expected results and output. Network and architecture config review, checking the whole architecture and then verifying the network input and outputs and it is working in the expected manner or not. Test against OWASP web app top 10, and these are the top 10 things which you have to test. Injection, broken authentication and session management, cross-site scripting accesses, insecure direct object references, security misconfiguration, sensitive data exposure, missing function level access control, cross-site request forgery, CSRF, using components with known vulnerabilities, and unvalidated redirects and forwards. So friends, these are two of the broadly classified techniques what is used, and we have certain kind of security tools, testing tools, which are used for these purposes. So I'll give you a little bit brief on those as well. Commercial and open source tools. You can perform this activity via commercial or open source tools. You can use SP45 Secure Code Analyzer, SCA, Aquantix, Kali Linux, Rapid7 Nexpose, Rapid7 Metasploit, and then Burp Suite Pro, SOAP UI, it is a very common one, BEEF, and then geolocation emulation, custom developed tools and script. Many of the software testers and developers, they develop their own custom tools and script based upon the open source code, so you can also use those ones. Friends, if you are interested to know more about any of these techniques or methodologies, please let me know in the comment section. And what I'll do, I'll come up with the presentation. I'll come up with a detailed presentation on that technique, which most of you have requested. Okay, friends? And if you're interested to know more about the manual and automation testing, how can it be done in terms of pen testing and checking the vulnerability of your web application, please do refer my other videos which I have posted on my channel. It has all the details regarding manual and automated testing and how exactly a tester should do it. It is also helpful for developers. It is also very much helpful for business analysts, consultants, and anybody who is willing to start their career as a software developer. Please Feel free to like, share, and subscribe my channel. This is your host Prashant Kumar, and this is my channel Q Analysis. Thank you, friends. Thank you, and have a good one.